So, dear viewers, here we have two youngsters from Indore who have come for this India Wood 2026, and their story is amazing. They are part of the second generation entrepreneurs. The left side is Fantasy Furniture, second generation. Your name, please?
Chinmay Bapna.
Chinmay Bapna. And the right side we have Wyden Bapna, who is a part of Bonton Furniture. Okay?
Yeah, hello.
Okay, right. Hello. So please tell us a bit about your company, about Fantasy Furniture, how you are running the show in Indore.
In Indore, we are customized modular furniture manufacturers. We make all kinds of domestic furniture,
Okay.
starting from modular kitchens to modular bedrooms,
Okay.
modular like dining furniture, and all kinds of sofas and everything. We design the furniture and then we do the installation. We do the whole from the designing to the installation setup.
Okay. So how many employees you have right now at your Indore manufacturing
We
facility?
have about 50 employees in the furniture industry.
Okay.
We have two more industries.
Ah,
One is for lighting manufacturers.
very good.
So that
Okay.
is Fantasy Lights.
Ah.
It goes by the name of Dynamic Signals and Contractors.
Very good.
And we also make modular chairs.
Oh,
That is
fantastic.
Fantasy Systems.
Okay, very good.
We are running 3 companies.
Okay, right. So I want to understand how you engage with your customers. Do you have any outlets to interface with them to customize your product as per their requirement?
Absolutely. We have a showroom
Ah.
and we have the industry itself at the same place.
Okay.
So we show the customers everything that we can make,
Ah.
and then we also show them how the furniture is being made at
Ah.
the factory itself.
Okay,
And,
very good.
We are a 25-year-old company.
Wow.
Most of our customers are reference based.
Okay. So do you have any plan to expand from Indore to other cities? What is your vision? Because being the second generation entrepreneur, what is your vision for your company?
Absolutely, we are planning to do that.
Mm.
But first of all, we want to establish a good name in Indore itself.
Okay.
We are starting branding and marketing for our firms.
Mm.
Currently, we do not have a marketing agenda, but now we have started marketing.
Okay.
And soon we will start in other cities as well. We
Okay.
have done some projects in Bangalore also, Mumbai also, Ahmedabad also.
Very good.
But that is very limited. At the time, we are only doing in MP right now.
Oh, very good. So, NFA Post TV wish Fantasy Furniture all the best, and we will come to your factory in Indore soon.
Thank you so much. We are
Okay.
looking forward to that.
Okay. Now coming to our Wyden Bapna, please tell about Bonton Furniture Solutions.
So Bonton Furniture is a 30 plus year old company based in Indore.
Okay.
My father started it, and now we are mainly focusing on institutional and educational furniture. We do office furniture as well,
Ah.
but our main focus is on institutional and educational furniture.
Ah.
Main aims and IITs in India are done by us, and our staff is almost 350 plus.
Okay.
And last week we have opened our experience center in Bangalore,
Oh, fantastic. Where exactly in Bangalore?
Upper Mangla area.
Kormangla.
Core Bangla, sorry. Core Bangla.
Kormangla. Oh, very good. So this is first of its kind outside your Indore?
Yes, yes. It's
Okay.
First, no, it's second.
Second.
Out of Indore. First is in MP itself in Bhopal.
Bhopal.
Yeah, and now
Okay.
we are opening in Lucknow and Delhi, Mumbai, everywhere. Yeah.
Oh, this year itself we can expect
This year.
this expansion. So how you are looking at this India Wood 2026 as next gen entrepreneurs? What all the takeaways that you are expecting?
Yeah. Mainly we are focusing on the machineries. What are the new technologies coming? So we are focusing mainly on the machines.
Oh, machines, no? Okay. So can you tell a bit about the disruptive technology that is happening in wood industry right now? What more India should do to create IPs so that this technology will sit in our country, then we become what you call a consumer of technologies.
Yeah, so mainly India should focus on designing. Like we also have our designing team itself. So if we design furniture and manufacture it itself here and get a patent of it, so it will be very good because mainly in India, people mostly try to copy the Chinese furniture or the international brands. Yeah.
Right.
So if we focus more on designing part, so it will be great.
Okay. So what is your take? What is your comment on youngsters who are ready to spend more money on furniture at home, at office, etc.?
So they should mostly focus on the ergonomics and quality of the furniture,
Ah.
not go on the aesthetics. That's the second part.
Okay.
Firstly, they should look on the quality and the ergonomics.
Or just go by the brand name.
Okay. Okay.
or not
Instead,
just-
they should try to be aware,
Explore
more
more, yeah.
aware of what kind of furniture is apt to their requirement, and then find the right manufacturer according to that.
Fantastic. So, dear viewers, this is our Gen Z entrepreneurs in furniture space and design space who will rock like anything. They are the rock stars of India. Wish you all the best from NFA Positive TV. I'm along with the cameraman Girish Kumar, Vijay Kumar, reporter for NFA Positive, signing off. All the best. Wish you all the best.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
Thank you.
Thank you.